Are you struggling with Parse LiveQueries not working on your iOS client? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and showing you how to troubleshoot it effectively. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code seems perfect, but things just don't work as expected. Many developers face this challenge, especially when dealing with real-time data updates. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user reached out saying, "I can see the logs indicating a new client is created, but I don't receive any updates in my query, even though I have subscribed." Does this sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be going wrong here? It might be related to your configuration settings or how the subscription is set up in your code. We'll break it down step by step to identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you hours of debugging time. To begin troubleshooting the issue with Parse LiveQueries, the user should first ensure that the LiveQuery server is correctly configured in the configuration file. Next, the user should confirm that the Parse LiveQuery client is properly initialized in the app delegate file. This is crucial for establishing a connection. Now, the user should check the subscription code to ensure that it is correctly set up to listen for updates. This includes verifying the query and the event handler. Finally, the user should test the subscription to see if updates are being received. This can be done by adding some test data to the channel class and observing the logs. Fun fact, did you know that the first real-time databases were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, but some issues still persist. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you need to register your class before running the query. Specifically, you should use the command channel.register subclass to ensure that your class is properly recognized. Here's the tip I promised: always log your subscription events. This will help you track whether your subscription is being triggered and where it might be failing. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your Parse LiveQueries working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.